The ratchet lock washer is reversible and reusable and will not damage the thread as the load and the locking function are isolated from each other. A low-friction ratcheting mechanism will increase the torque conversion and with tactile feedback will assist engineers in achieving accurate bolt tension. A standout feature of the ratchet lock washer when combined with disc springs/Belleville washers is that the assembly can be used to control the applied loads, be vibration resistant and compensate for joint settlement while ensuring a mechanically locked component. Typical installations that benefit from such features include manhole covers, bridges, windmills, pipelines, rail tracks, etc. These innovative features of the ratchet lock washer set it apart, adding significant value to our proposition and your assets.
Audible 10-degree ratcheting increments continue until fully tightened. Now, the fastener cannot be unintentionally reversed. To release and reverse the nut, a standard drive socket is used. By compressing the outside collet, the lock mechanism is released. Continue the anti-clockwise rotation and the nut will exit the rotor recess, allowing the fastener to be removed.